Vlog. I know it's been like half a year. I don't feel like giving an intro because I suck. I'm Yafubi. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And if you're only a viewer, I don't think you might be a subscriber because of my consistency. Today, my friends are coming over and I thought of recording or filming it so that I can watch it over or revisit it. So yeah. Oh, my cat is sleeping at the corner. I'll show you. Okay, babe. How cute is it? This is the last night. I started cleaning last night itself because I didn't want to rush. They were coming very early. I invited them like around 8 or 9 morning. And my room was burning hot. It was like around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. So I had to grab something cold. It's the next day. I woke up and I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and I'm gonna carry on with the cleaning process. This way. So yeah, let's just see because the curtains are too long and I don't want to stay appearing. So I changed the shade and now it is done. I ordered some cupcakes. I was carving some sweets. I've been watching Two Broke Girls and I'm on the 20th episode. Since then, I wanted to eat cupcakes. I got this brownie for free and I've also got 2 donuts. These are the donuts and these are the cupcakes and this is a free brownie. It's hot. This strawberry filled donut was unexpectedly good. They warmed it and it turned out to be so good. 2 of my friends have arrived. Now only 1 is left. We're gonna wait for her and after she arrives we're gonna cook the food and eat it, chill.
Faces in a line, wasting all my time. Want to find the light, but it feels so tight. There's so many flames, hearts are about to break. Searching for the real, but what's the deal? Lips and a smile bright.
Just after the lunch, we had to rush for the pool because it was already 4 o'clock, and by 6 o'clock it gets dark. And two of them had a long way to go back. So here we are, we're gonna change and head for the pool.
It's all so tough. With so many fake hearts about to break, searching for the real. What's the deal?
It's the next day. Long story short, yesterday was so good. It started raining once we went into the pool, and then I rushed for my phone. I was just gonna sit inside the pool because the pool was not too deep, and I lost my balance and I was with the phone under the water for like almost 2-3 seconds. And then I broke my tempered glass also because the light was gone when we went inside to take shower. There were no lights. I had to use our flashlight. So yeah, that was the day with my friends. I enjoyed it a lot. When we came back, they rushed and went back, so I couldn't vlog any further. My mom's older brother might come with his family to have dinner. I will see if I could vlog, then I'll take some clips and put it in here. Hello, it's the next day. A friend of mine came to pick me up. We picked up another friend of ours, and we had this last minute plan to visit this cute little cafe called the Farm Cafe, and it got closed. We panicked for a moment, but fortunately they let us in. It was open. There were only 3 of us at the dining area, so we had the whole area to ourselves. I'm back. It was a nice last minute plan. It went very well. The place was very secluded, very quiet, and very relaxing vibe. They had pool, and they also had a big lawn area. We couldn't see the lawn area because it was dark. It was getting dark, and we were already, getting late. So yeah, that's the last thing I did here in my hometown, and I'll be leaving tomorrow afternoon, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.